Hi, I'm Claudio Meli. I'm the general manager of The Place, this special 20 rooms boutique hotel in the heart of Florence, my city, my beloved Florence. So everything at The Place is made by artisans of Florence, me included, because my mom is Florentine too. So I was born and raised here. I'm the only general manager of a 5-star hotel in Florence, really Florentine. And you see we are in this beautiful church, Santa Maria Novella is in front of us, by Leon Battista Alberti, which is the inspiration of the place, of everything is designed inside also of the hotel.
We have just arrived at the Place Hotel in Florence, and this is the colorful entrance. Look at the ceiling. It's so detailed and beautiful. Welcome to my room at the Place Firenze. This is a double deluxe room. It's really beautiful. So just let me go back a little so you can take in the view. We have a beautiful plant in the corner. You need a plant in a room to make it homely. And then there's also a telephone and some books, information. So this is a little desk. You can work here if you need to. Beautiful, beautiful bed. Love the bed linen and I like the headboard. There's actually a TV in this part of the bed, so I will try and bring that up. And then over here we have a little welcome champagne, some little treats and fruit, and a welcome card. All of the lights are on switches like these. So you have a bright option, soft light option, a reading light or off. So it's really easy to work out what switches you need to press. And then let's try and get this TV up. So here we go. I feel like you may never leave the bed once you have this up. Okay, we'll just let that go back in, but you get the idea. And then there's some plants outside. We have a wardrobe. And in this wardrobe, got the hangers, of course, and a safe. There's also some slippers at the bottom. And in this wardrobe, there's a little mini bar. So if you need some extra drinks. Then coming into the bathroom, there's lots of fun things to look at in here. So we have the towels and the bath, lots of creams and soaps. There's even some bath salts here. They smell really nice. I had a smell of them already. And a bath glove. And then this is the shower and the bath. Coming through into the toilet area. Toilet and bidet. And then here we have some dressing gowns and a little chair. And then over by the sink, we have a little bag of the amenities and some body lotion. So it's a very pretty sink. And then come back through to the bedroom. This is dinner time at the Place. So these are our starters. We have a burrata and we have some ceviche. And now we have a carbonara and an aubergine parmigiana.
I explain you, we are on the table.
And now we have some fillet of beef with a potato puree. And for dessert, we have a vanilla creme brulee with raspberry sorbet. Here we are in one of the communal spaces of the Place Firenze. So this whole room can actually be blocked off and reserved for private dining or meetings. And then there's this other cute room here. I love this room. Look at the ceiling. So this is another lounge room, but it can be converted for private functions, meetings. So for lunch, we're having a gnocchi with courgette and lo spaghetto. So this is a spaghetti with tomato sauce. And again, we have this beautiful view. And this is our main course, which is a fillet of sea bass